Hello guys, this is Keka. Welcome to my channel KasturiKreation. As you can see, I have already done some steps before. I am going to show the remaining part of the art piece, how to attach the clay patterns on the canvas. I will upload a video very soon on how I have made all these clay patterns. Now come to this video. To fix the patterns, I have mixed the two parts of molded clay. With the help of little amount of fresh clay balls and Fevicol, I am fixing all the remaining shapes on the canvas. Now the fixing patterns are completed. Next I am applying gesso on the patterns and then white titanium acrylic paint on all the patterns. Whenever you use the color on clay, you should always first coat with gesso. It's like a primer which makes the color more brighter. Wow, another clay strings is ready. Most of the time, my elder son used to make clay strings for me, which makes me very happy. That's how he is also learning. In between, I am taking you to a very short trip on how I have created the very beginning steps which I have skipped in this video. So, at first, I have applied gesso all over the canvas. After drying the gesso, I have used white titanium acrylic paint with the help of a sponge to get a grainy texture. Then I make ready the wooden leaf with Emix glittery pouring paint, colored pink and cobalt blue. Then I have fixed the leaf with pouring medium in the middle of the canvas. As you can see, the crystals beside both sides of the leaf, I have attached them also with pouring medium. Now I am pouring resin on it. I would like to use ultra resin for top coating. I have mixed very well the part A and part B of the resin for several more minutes. Ultra resin is in 2:1 ratio by weight. You have to stir well until the resin and the hardener getting mixed properly. I am using a normal brush to help spreading the resin all over the canvas. You can use silicone brush. As you can see, the grainy texture of resin coating, it is also a technique. I will make another video on this topic. You can see the golden part under the crystals and the leaf where I have used golden mica dust before resin coating. Here is the another more piece from the art series Exude Dreamy Vibes. Here I am also showing the second part of the art, how I am attaching the clay strings on the painting. I make it very simple. I am using huge amount of neutral color so that it will be more gorgeous. To fix the clay strings, I am using the Fevicol. As the clay strings are raw now, it's going to be tightly fixed. I have been fixing only 5 clay strings to get the fresh look without being messy. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more videos in the future. Now it's all done. I'm coloring the strings now. Whatever materials I have used in this project, I have mentioned below in the description box. You can check it there. I'm adding some acrylic glue to get the contrast effect. The colors have become dry. Now I am pouring the pre-mixed resin. Here also I am using the ultra epoxy resin. It is ultra clear, bubble free and have UV resistant quality. After curing, it's become hardest like rock. I am spreading the resin all over the canvas with the help of a brush. One important thing, when you pouring the resin, make sure that the dimpling is not going to happen in the canvas. This canvas is very tightly fixed with the frame, so I don't need to take any other step to form it. One more important thing, whenever you're working with resin, always make sure that you are using the correct personal precautions. You should use mask and gloves and work in well ventilated area. The art is all finished. I'm really pleased with how it's come out. The resin absolutely make the color to pop out. Resin is expensive, but it's the best coating medium. By covering any art piece with resin, we can easily remove dust particles with the help of tissue. I just fond of its glossy crystal clear effect. Let me know in the comment box what you think. Hope you like the both artworks. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned.